Hello, Divine Feminines. Welcome back to another general reading. I am so grateful to have you here with me, as always. If you haven't already, please do be sure to join the family by simply subscribing. At the end of this video, please do be sure to like, comment, share to a friend. Do as you please. All right, Divine Feminines, it's been a little minute. I took a mini break from doing readings for the past like 72 hours because I felt the need to just pull my energy back. I was also under spiritual attack. Spiritual warfare is real out here, okay? All right, my loves. So let's see what messages come through for you guys. As always, I have already blessed and cleansed my space. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. All right. What are the messages from my Divine Feminine? What messages do they need to hear? What messages do they need to hear? Okay. We have bad health, heavy hitter. All right. And then we have energy vampires. I'm gonna take this one. Divine Feminine. All right, Divine Feminine. Let's see. Divine Feminine, as of right now, you need to cleanse your energy. You have some energetic entities that are trying to latch onto you because you are on your way up. These entities were specifically sent your way to attack your mental health, but I'm also hearing your physical health. I'm hearing something with colon cancer. I'm also hearing kidney failure. And something about the nails is significant. Also, do not let just anybody do your hair. You have some people in high places looking out for you, but these people in high places are also the ones trying to harvest your energy. These people have very, very big platforms. Divine Feminine, you got people in high places trying to come for you. That says a lot. Do I need to explain? I don't feel like I need to, because I feel like you guys know exactly where I'm coming from. You guys catch my drift. We vibe. We connected. So you know what I'm talking about. But Divine Feminine, you need to place a protective shield around your home every morning is what I'm hearing, as well as cleanse your home. Get into the routine of doing so, because it will definitely stop these people from trying to throw daggers into your auric field as well as your environment, which is what they're trying to do. They're trying to cause havoc upon the mind as well as, I'm hearing, the soul. So they're trying to affect you spiritually. This is all a spiritual warfare. It's been a spiritual warfare. Everything that's going on in the world is spiritual warfare, believe it or not. And this is the case with you as well. Okay, Divine Feminine. Anything else? We have Heavy Hitter here. I'm hearing Men in Black, Hitman. You need to be careful. You have some of my Divine Feminines out there. You have people in high places, like I said, that are like gunning for your head. And that isn't, I'm not saying that in a joking manner. This is serious. Divine Feminine, you may be viewing this and you may be a celebrity. You need to be careful, whoever you are. I'm hearing a rapper. They're trying to harvest your energy. And they're gonna do this and then they're gonna clone you. I'm also having a prophetic message come through. There's going to be an artist, a female artist who is going to get cloned. They're gonna go into the hospital. They're gonna have some sort of issues, whether it be COVID. I just heard kidney, something with their kidneys, so they may be drinking too much. I'm also hearing alcohol poisoning. So some female artist who is in the industry, right? They are about to get cloned. They don't know it though. Like them walking into the hospital, being, all messed up because they have alcohol poisoning is gonna lead up to the demise of them. And this is because they were not paying attention to the messages that they were receiving in regards to needing to cut this out of their routine. So because they decided to ignore these messages and still proceed with the constant drinking, it's now leading up to them being caught in a trap placed by people in high honor, people in high places. I'm not gonna say specifically who this female artist is, but yeah, that was a message that just came through. So I'll be on the lookout for that, and I will get back to you guys to let you know further details if that does take place. But this is kind of crazy. That's the first time I received a message like that. All right, let's get some tarot. Divine Feminine. We have the Empress at the bottom of the deck and the Nine of Swords. Divine Feminine, you're literally being attacked. And I just feel like it's the holiday season. Why do people go to these lengths? If you're not happy, then deal with it on your own. Don't try to pull other people into that energy with you. And that's exactly what's going on here with the Empress, the Nine of Swords, the Eight of Swords, and the Four of Swords. Oh my God. That's so wild. And it keeps going, and we have the Seven of Swords. All right, I'm gonna take those. And I'm gonna take them in the order that they fell out or came out in, excuse me. Okay, so Divine Feminine, if you were born in April, then this is a message for you. This can also be this message can also resonate, excuse me, for those of you not born in April, but I just felt like somebody needed to have some sort of confirmation that this message was for them, so that was it for that specific person. You know who you are. Okay, so Divine Feminine. Some of you are having difficulty sleeping at night because of these people messing with you or attempting to do so, and you sense this and you feel trapped. Divine Feminine, you feel like there's no way out. You feel like you've done, you know, as many return back to senders as you can. You've done, you know, a bunch of candle spells to protect and shield your energy, your auric field, your mind, body, soul, as well as your home. And you just feel like nothing is working. Divine Feminine, but I'm here to let you know it is working, but you need to have faith. Do not let the enemy win. The enemy is trying to place fear in your world. They're trying to replace your faith with fear. They're trying to replace your faith with fear, Divine Feminine. Okay, I just felt the need to say that twice. You're vibrating at a very high energy, but you're slowly allowing these lower vibrational energies to pull you down, and you gotta get out of that, Divine Feminine. You have to, it's a must. You don't belong there. But if you do end up going there, just know that's not gonna last, because who you are, Divine Feminine, you don't belong in that energy. So you may end up in there, but you won't last in the gutter. You won't last in the trenches. In other words, you won't last in that low vibrational energy, because you know how to maneuver. You know how to work your way back up even if you're pulled down. You know what I'm saying, Divine Feminine? So don't beat yourself up if you are, you know, in this energy. If you are getting attacked and you feel like you're losing faith, it's okay. It happens. We all grow through it. I said we all grow through it. I meant to say we all go through it. But eventually, you will grow through this lesson that, you know, you're supposed to take away from being in that energy yet again. Look at it in a positive light, Divine Feminine. Your perspective is important in the arena called life. Do keep that in mind whenever you are going through difficult situations. Divine Feminine, I'm picking up on another story here. You, Divine Feminine, you're standing in your power. You're open to receiving the best that life has to offer you. You're open to receiving the blessings the universe has for you. And you got these people sick. 1414 on the screen. You got somebody sick because you pulled your energy back. You called your energy back. You refuse to engage with low vibrational beings and energies. You refuse to entertain what is not serving your highest and greater good. Congratulations. You got these people sick. They're mad, highly upset, because they can't get to you. They can't reach you. They picking up the phone and dialing your number, and they're automatically getting that voicemail. Divine Feminine can't come to the phone right now. Please leave a message. Beep. That's the type of timing you want, Divine Feminine. And that's the type of timing you should be on. Because these deceptive people feed off of you. They crave your energy. They need your energy to survive. They need your energy to thrive. They are energy vampires. They are people who hate to see you thrive and reach your goals and reach for the stars. They hate to see you reach new heights. They want you out of this energy, and they want you back in an energy where you're closed off, where you're not focused, where you're not doing the work that you need to do in order to heal. They want you down and out. All right, Divine Feminine. You putting these bums to rest. Divine Feminine, someone's stuck in their head about you and about the decisions that they've made when it came to you. They know they messed up this time. They know they should have never been plotting on your demise. They were warned, Divine Feminine. The divine came to them on multiple occasions, 1717 on the phone, and let them know you need to stop while you ahead, because this one you cannot play with. This one is in her purpose, standing in her truth. You better leave that one alone. They were warned and they didn't listen. And because they didn't listen, now they're in either a physical imprisonment, a mental imprisonment, or a spiritual imprisonment. Whichever one it is, they're all a really bad place to be in. Divine Feminine, you got these people sick. They thought they could play with you. They thought they could steal from you. They thought they could do magic on you. They thought they could steal your energy, steal your gifts. They thought they could tap into your Akashic records and get away with it. They got another thing coming, and they know it. We have the Queen of Swords, a lot of swords energy. These people are literally going through a lot of mental conflict. A lot of mental conflict behind what they done to you. They're about to have to sit back and watch you prevail. They're about to sit back and watch you reach them heights that they said that you could never. You're proving every single last one of them wrong. 1919 on the phone is Judgment Day. All those who have done you wrong, all those who have trespassed in your energy, all those who have stolen from you, all those who try to manipulate you, Divine Feminine, is done for. The angels are calling judgment. The universe is calling judgment. Karma is here. Divine Feminine, don't lose faith. Better days are here. They're here. They're in the now. They're not in the future. They're in the now. They're in this present moment. So be happy. Because they try to kill you. They try to slaughter you. They wanted your head on a platter. But karma came around and let them know that that's not how this shit going down. There's some things that you've manifested, some things that you've wanted for a while. Some of you may have even shared that with these people. And they, try to take your